Monopoly. What is monopoly? Can anyone say? Mono means single. Poly means seller. If any market is having a single seller in the market, only single seller will be there selling the product. So such market is called as what? Monopoly. So in this structure, a specific person or a specific enterprise will be supplying the product into the market. And they are going to supply it a particular product. Whatever the product that is required in the market, if they are having, that single seller will be selling the product. Some definitions was given by certain people. Ferguson, this is the person who has defined this monopoly market. He says that a pure monopoly exists when there is only one producer in the market. One producer means that one producer will be selling the product in the market. And there are no other producers producing the same type of product. So such market is called as, according to him, monopoly. So, and another person who is called McConnell. So this person has given a definition for monopoly. Pure or absolute monopoly exists when a single firm is the sole producer for a particular product for which there are no close substitutes. There won't be any close substitutes. That means that is the only product that was produced by the particular person or a particular firm which is going to be sold in the market. So no other product is substituted here. So in such manner, if any seller is existing in the market, that is called as what? Monopoly market. You can take this Nellore government, they have decided to distribute this COVID product, no? COVID medicine. Is there any other substitute for that? So which we can say that it is a pure monopoly market. Of course, it is restricted by the government that it should not be sold for a particular price. They cannot fix the price. Of course, they are providing it for free of cost, but there is no substitute, close substitute for this product. So because of that, everyone is rushing for that particular product, which is reducing the COVID. So that example you can take, present example you can take for monopoly. And some more examples, let us see. So can anyone say this, what is this logo indicates? Railways. So railways is one of the best example you can take. So is there any other service which is competing with the railways? So this is a public service, no? So which is provided by the government. So which we can say that it is a monopoly market. Because there is no other private railways. Private railways are not going to enter into this market. These Indian railways, we can say that they are the monopoly market. Of course, the government will be fixing the price of tickets, reasonable prices, and they are not going to take the advantage that they are the single sellers. Public transportation will be given here more importance for this railways. And this is the second logo which you can see here. So seeing at the logo, what is this logo indicates? This is an Luxottica. So this is an spectacles related company. Sunglasses they are going to produce. And they are the only persons, those who are going to produce this type of branded sunglasses, Luxottica. So they we can say that they are the monopoly industry. Eyewear brands for major part of the market was covered by this Luxottica. So even though some people are there, those who are going to produce the sunglasses, but these people, Luxottica company has gained more market in the world. So most of the people, they will be having in mind that these are the only sunglasses which are good for their eyes. And they can feel, they are going to feel that there are variety of sunglasses available in this company. So these people are going to purchase, manufacture such type of varieties in sunglasses. So nearly 80% of the worldwide market, these people are going to cover. They are having that much of market in the world. So which we can say that it is a monopoly market. Another example we can take this. This logo indicates what? This logo indicates Microsoft. Unable to identify Microsoft. You people are using the laptops, etc. So Microsoft is one of the monopoly market, we can say. So in computer and software manufacturing companies, this is going to have a maximum market. Nearly 75% of the market share is held by this Microsoft. So we can say that they are market leaders in the technical space. Okay, and this logo indicates what? AB InView. What this company is going to sell? This is the merger company. So two companies merged into one single company. Anheuser-Busch and InBev. These two companies merged into one single company and they became a big company. They are going to distribute over 200 types of beers. 200 types of beers. Like examples, you can take this Budweiser, Corona, Beck's, etc. products they are going to distribute. And there are a more number of different types of beers, and they are different in taste also. Their composition will be different. So, however, they merged, so now they became into a single company, which are going to hold the worldwide market here. So most of the people will be consuming these types of beers. They are going to have that in mind that these beers are very famous. And one more, you can see on the logo itself, Google is one of the example for monopoly. So this is a browser, no? Everyone will be using this. Even household people are going to use. If you are having small knowledge about how to use internet, everyone will be using this. So this is the biggest web searcher, web browser, we can say that. So most of the market, so nearly 70% of the whole market, internet market, Google is going to hold. So they have even entered into the Google Maps, Gmails, search engines, etc. In every interlinked services, they have entered into the market. And they have the competitors of Yahoo, Microsoft, of course. But even though they are existing, nearly 70% of the market this Google has handled. So in that manner, they have innovated their browser and they have used the advanced technology by which the people are going to use this Google as a search engine. And one more example, you can take Facebook. So Facebook also, of course, now Telegram came into existence. But before Telegram came into existence, Facebook was the one of the monopoly market. So they are going to provide you free services. Of course, they have modified also. Even though Telegram came into existence, Facebook is the main. They are going to hold the market more than the Telegram. Even companies are advertising their products in the Facebooks. Even business people has entered this Facebook and they are going to sell their products also. And the competitors of this Facebook, you can take that Google Plus, Twitter, etc. All these are the competitors of this Facebook. And WhatsApp also, now it came into existence. WhatsApp, Oculus Rift, etc. So all these are the different acquisitions of this Facebook. And recently it has been changed also with the effects affecting the users' sentiment. Even elections are fought in this Facebook. Okay, so like that, this Facebook is one of the monopoly company, we can say, which is holding the market. So many examples are there, and another one, AT&T. So AT&T means American Bell Telephone Company. So this is going to give you telephonic and telegram related telecommunication related product. They are going to provide the service. So they used to charge more because they are the sole supplier. So automatically the US company has entered into that and they have given instructions because it is anti-law, no? Antitrust laws, because it is charging more and more to the public. Government entered into that telecommunication and they have restricted them to control the prices, service charges. And they have forced to split them into 6 subsidiaries, which are called as baby bills. So another thing you can, most of you know that this is the patent rights. Patent rights are also, we can say that they are the monopoly. If any person who is going to innovate anything new, they can have the patent rights, and that patent right will be applicable only for a short period. So during that period, they can take the advantage of the invention. They can sell it for at any price. Example, you can take this patent rights like Genting Highlands, Malaysia. There they are going to have a patent right. They are legalized casino is there. So in casino industry, so they are the legally monopoly for so many years. So they enjoyed that advantage of that. When we come to India, Indian Railways, of course, one of the example you can take. Top 10 industries, let us list out this. Which are having monopoly market in India. One is the IRCTC. So this is 100% monopoly market, because only one IRCTC is there, Railways is there, no other competitor is existing. And HAL is also one of the Hindustan Aeronautics India Limited, one of the company which we can say that it is monopoly. So in aeronautics, this is going to play monopoly. Monopoly ownership will be there here. And Nestle, Cerelac. So this is also, we can say that it is a monopoly market. Cerelac, this is an infant's product. So below 6 months, for below 6 months children, this product is used, Cerelac. So which we can use as an supplementary to the breast milk for the children. So which we can say that it is a nutritious, healthy, and wellness related product. So this is related, of course, with the Switzerland company, of course, but it is holding the Indian market about 96.5% of the Indian market. From nearly a century of years, over 100 years, this market is holded by this Nestle. So there are no competitors for this Nestle. So which we can say that it is a monopoly market. So many other are there. Can anyone say one more? Coal India. This is the world's largest coal producing company in the world, which is existing in India. So nearly 82% of the total coal industry, this company is having market. And Hindustan Zinc, in zinc products, Hindustan Zinc is one of the company which is holding monopoly market. Nearly 78% of the market they hold. And ITC, Indian Tobacco Company. So ITC, which is located in Bhadrachalam. So this is holding 77% of market in cigar industries. Of course, they have entered into some other products also, even food related products also they are having, but they are having monopoly market in this cigar industry. So they are producing different brands like you can see here, Indian King, Classic, Gold Flake, American Club, etc., Scissors, Capstan, Bentley, Bristol, all those are the different products which was produced by ITC. And Marico is in oil industries. These are the monopoly markets. Like Safolo is which is going to have 73% of the market. They are leading in the oil industries. Safolo. And Parachute. Parachute is also related with the Marico industry. So which is an hair oil. So this is going to hold the 59% of the market. And Pidilite, what is the product of Pidilite? Where we call MC, Dr. Fixit, chemicals, paints, which are related with the construction related chemicals, Dr. Fixit. And they are going to produce automotive chemicals, industry adhesives. So all these products they are going to produce. Industrial and textile resins they are going to produce. So nearly 70% of the whole market of this related was holded by this Pidilite. Adhesive and industrial chemical market they are holding. They are the leaders. So which we can say that it is a monopoly market. And another one we can say Concur. Concur means this is an Container Corporation of India Limited. This is a public limited company which is going to be holded by the IRCTC Railways. Time is up.